Hi, this is Avraham with ReConvert. In this video, we'll cover how to use the product block, which exists inside the product upsell widget and possibly other widgets within ReConvert. The product block is a powerful feature that lets you define which product is displayed to your customers, as well as allowing you to customize its settings for an optimized shopping experience. So let's go ahead and get started. To add the product upsell widget, you can go ahead and click Add Section and then click Product Upsell here. We've already got a product upsell here in our order summary, so we're going to continue with that. Once you've got a product upsell widget or any other widget that you are using, you will find the product block nested within there. Go ahead and click the product block. In the Actions menu on the right-hand side, you can choose the product that you wish to display to your customers. You also have the option to exclude that category instead. So by default, this will be a positive inclusion of whichever products you select. But if you'd like to tick this box, this will exclude the products that you select here. Okay, so go ahead and click that. We have 5 different options. We can choose the most expensive product in the cart, which will display the highest priced item in the cart, as the name suggests. You can choose the cheapest product in the cart. Again, it will produce the lowest priced item in the cart and display that to your customer. You can choose a specific product, just like that. And we can see that that's reflected in the central screen here. Note also that if you do select a specific product, an additional option is provided where you need to explain what you would like ReConvert to do in the case that that product was already in the customer's cart. You have 3 options here. You can display the featured product anyway. You can display an alternative product, and then you'll be given an option to select which that alternative product is, or you could just simply hide the upsell altogether. Okay, we're going to go ahead and select display featured product anyway. Always make sure that you're clicking save at the top when you've completed your choices. We also have 2 brand new categories where we're able to further segment the customer offer. We have from the same category. So this will choose a product from the same category as the products the customer has already chosen. So here, again, we have the chance to exclude that category if we want. So we would select the categories we wish to exclude. Let's say we want to exclude category 1 and category 2. And if the upsell product is in the excluded category, what do we want to do instead? Do we want to show a random product, or do we want to hide the widget? The choice is yours. Remember, click save. The final category we can choose for products is the bestsellers category. This is generated by ReConvert and will either include or exclude bestsellers depending on whether you tick this box here. So outside of the product block, or rather more accurately nested within the product block, we have 9 customizable sub-blocks: the image, product title, product details, product description, price and discount, button, option picker, quantity selector, and success/error banner. You can find out more about these subsections by clicking the relevant selection and then clicking Learn More About image in the top right. So that brings us to the end. That's how you can add and configure the product block in your widgets with ReConvert. It's a simple yet powerful way to customize your store and enhance a shopping experience for your customers. If you still have any questions, don't worry, our support team is available 24/7. Simply click the live chat button in the bottom right of the page, and happy reconverting.